I'm Dr. Jennifer Tesmertuck. I'm an OBGYN physician and the Vice President of Medical Affairs at North Memorial Health Hospital in Robbinsdale, Minnesota. In addition to my role in medicine and in administration at North Memorial, I'm also a quilter and a sewer. And so as information has spread about the potential lack of personal protective equipment or PPE, I started thinking about how I could participate in that. Should I be making masks? I asked my mom, who lives in Hastings, Minnesota, and my sister, who lives in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, to try to figure out the best mask. And what have you been doing at home on your own?
Making masks. Yes, making masks.
Do you think there's other people out in America right now who'd want to contribute in that way?
Oh, many, many, many. It's a feeling of being able to contribute some small part of a bigger battle.
My mom is in her 70s. We're quite close, so we're worried about her. She misses seeing us, so we've been connecting a lot. And that same, family connection that we have with her is what I feel, or what I see at North Memorial. I feel that same connection with the team members that I serve in my role as the Vice President of Medical Affairs. This project has really been bringing together my personal family with the health family to help that personal family do something for my health family. We love you very much, and thank you for making the masks and helping us figure out how to do it.
Whatever we all can do with the fight. I love you, baby.
I love you too.